Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. The starting metal is pyridine. It has chlorine at the third position. The reagents are sodamide and ammonia. It's an interesting problem. You have to guess the product. The answer is easy if you know the benzene mechanism completely. Here, the benzene formation, two possibilities are there. The proton abstraction can be near to nitrogen or next to nitrogen, which is on second and fourth position. If you abstract second position proton, you have minus charge near the lone pair. The lone pair and electron repulsion is there, so minor product will be. So it will be the minor product. So the proton abstraction and the fourth carbon, then the benzene formation, you have final product. So the product possibility is dictated by the electron and lone pair repulsion. So you should know the little fact here. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.